Well, what I was going to attempt to show you is my female wolf spider, funnel web wolf spider right there. I don't know, can't really tell size obviously through a camera, but it's an inch, a little bit over. She's still a baby. And there's a cricket in her cage. It's a little bit bigger than her, it looks like, yeah. Real fat cricket. Right underneath her web, just now starting to get tangled in it. The spider sitting there staring at her, waiting for the cricket to move. I was going to try and attempt to show you this spider attacking that. I've actually been sitting here for 5 minutes just watching them stare at themselves. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do that. I'm going to try my best to speed up this process as best as I can without affecting either one of them. The cricket is actually moving a little bit now. I was going to see if she backs up anymore. I mean, if this cricket would just scoot towards the spider just a tad. Well, there's my spider now. There's the cricket now. The spider doesn't really know how to approach that because it's right underneath her. Underneath the web. The spider's above the web. So I'm not really sure that there's an appropriate way of going at that one. Because if the spider tries to move around there, I mean, obviously, it's going to try to run away, but I don't know, we'll give it some time and see what goes down. I mean, they know each other's there. It looks weird, them just staring at each other like that. Well, I don't think I'm going to be able to film this. I don't think they're going to let me. So, I mean, you saw my spider and you saw what she was going to be eating. So, eventually later on, I'll post something of her actually feeding, actually throw something in her nest or something. This is her home as of now. She's got like a little den type thing made out of bark to go in there. It's got about a foot of potting soil. About a 12 by 6 cage. Well, I say 24 by 6 inch cage total, but about 12 by 6 inches covered in potting soil. And the rest is like sand over here with a whole lot of bark shavings and some little twigs. I keep cotton balls in there soaked in water for moisture. I'd say temperature wise, 70 to 85 degrees in here. I mean, I caught it in the garage, so I'm going to keep it at garage temperatures, why not? Humidity probably about this, well, 70, 85 also, yeah, about the same. This is her cage. I hope to show you My spider feeding soon. Probably won't get to see that cricket in the morning, so might as well say bye to that. That's it. Thank you.